Hello students, welcome to my channel Easy Maths. Let's go to factorization. Conscious Mathematics, 9th class. Let us do the example sums first. First example, 8ab square plus 12a square b. 8 and 12. What is the highest common factor? 2 is a common factor, but it is not highest. You have to take the highest common factor. 4 is the highest common factor. So 4 goes out. A square. A is common. Here it is b square. Here only b. So b is common to them. So what is left here? This is 4 into 2. So 2 is left. 4 has gone out. A has gone out. B into b. B has gone out. 1b is there. This is 4 into 3. 4 has gone out and 3 is left. So A remains. B has gone out. So it is 4ab into 2b plus 3a. Second problem. Here x plus y is common. Take it out. What remains is this 4 into x plus y, because 1 x plus y has gone out. X plus y square it is. So 1 x plus y remains minus 3. This has gone out. It is x plus y into 4x plus 4y minus 3. In this problem, it is a minus 5 here, but 5 minus a here. It should have been a minus 5. Otherwise, you can't take it out. So, what you should do to make it a minus 5? You change everything. Make this minus, and make this plus. Now, it became a minus 5. X into a minus 5 minus y into a minus 5. Now, you can take it out. A minus 5, what remains is x minus y. Now factorization by grouping. Here if you take b common, what remains is a plus c. Here x is common. What remains? A plus c. So let us group them. b is common, a plus c. Plus x is common, a plus c. Now again here a plus c is common. So let us take it out. Here b remains plus x. Let us simplify this first. ab squared minus a into b. ab minus into minus plus 1 into b is equal to b minus 1. Here ab is common. Take ab outside. What remains? b minus ab has gone out. So 1 remains. Here 1, you have to take 1. So that inside the bracket you will get b minus 1. Now in these two terms, b minus 1 is common. Take b minus 1 out. What remains here? ab plus 1. In expansion you have done it. What is this? This is a plus 1 upon a square. Minus 5 is common. What remains is a here plus. When you solve this bracket, you should get this. Here what remains? 1 upon a. Minus 5 into a is equal to minus 5a. Minus into plus is equal to minus. 5 into 1 upon a is equal to 5 upon a. Now here a plus 1 upon a is common. A plus 1 upon a, and here 1a plus 1 upon a has gone out. One bracket has gone out. What remains is a plus 1 upon a minus 5. Let's go to exercise 5a. First problem. Here what is common? 2 and 6. 2 is common. Then 2x minus 5y. 2x minus 5y. Then what remains is 3x plus 4y minus, this is 2 into 3, 2 has gone out, so 3 is remaining here. 3 into x minus y is remaining. Let us solve this bracket. 3x plus 4y minus 3x plus 3y. 2 into 2x minus 5y. 3x and 3x goes off. 4y plus 3y is equal to 7y. So 2 into 7y, that is 14y into 2x minus 5y. xy, yz, zx. Nothing is common here among these three. Inside the bracket it is 3x squared minus 2y squared. Here minus 3x squared plus 2y squared. So we have to change the sign here. Here it is 15x squared minus 10y squared. You can make out that 5 is common here. If you take 5 outside, you will get 3x squared minus 2y squared. So this is xy into 3x squared minus 2y squared minus yz. Let us make it plus yz. So this becomes minus 3x squared becomes plus 3x squared plus 2y squared becomes minus 2y squared plus, let us bring 5 outside, 5zx. What remains is 3x squared minus 2y squared. Now 3x squared minus 2y squared is common. Let us take it out. What remains inside? xy plus yz plus 5zx. Third problem. Here it is a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Here it is minus a squared minus b squared plus c squared. So let us change the sign here. Here it is a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Here it is ab, bc, ca. So it is not common. So ab into a squared plus b squared minus c squared plus bc. I am changing all the signs. Minus a squared becomes plus a squared. Minus b squared becomes plus b squared. Plus c squared becomes minus c squared. Plus ca into a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Let us take the common term out. A squared plus b squared minus c squared into, here what remains is ab plus bc plus ca.